Welcome to Quiz Time Discover India. Test your knowledge about India with 10 fun questions. You'll get 10 seconds for each question. Let's begin. Don't forget to write your score in the comment box at the end. Let's begin. Who was the first woman president of India? The answer is A. Pratibha Patil. The dance form Bharatanatyam originates from which Indian state? The answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Which river flows through the city of Delhi? The answer is B. Yamuna. What is the smallest state of India by area? The answer is B. Goa. The festival Bihu is primarily celebrated in which state? The answer is A. Assam. Which Indian athlete is known as the Flying Sikh? The answer is A. Milkha Singh. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, located? The answer is B. Bengaluru. What is the national tree of India? The answer is B. Banyan. Major Dhyan Chand is associated with which sport? The answer is C. Hockey. In which state is the folk dance Lion and Peacock dance performed? The answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. If you enjoyed the quiz, please like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming quizzes and fun facts. Drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how well you did. See you in the next quiz. And until then, keep exploring and stay curious.